Okay, this is my mother eating Mali apple. Not just one, but two. And the bird, surprisingly, loves or should love apple. You see that second apple on the table there? That's also my mother's. And not bite marks from the bird. That is my mother. Look, here, Mom. Because she was actually 2 minutes ago eating both of them at the same time. The bird does not want to eat fruit for some reason. But she loves to eat whatever my mother is eating. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, my mother is going to teach her how to eat apple. And my mother was always a hard person to teach to eat an apple. And the only reason was because she wanted us to not be without the apple. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You see how sweet that is? See how sweet that is? This is the old person teaching the young person how it's done. And that's life. That is totally, this is totally life. This is life. This is life. This is Mother Nature in full circle. Okay, Miss Chief. You're the chief. You're the boss. Well, at least you think you're the boss.